Hi guys, thanks for joining me. Today we're going to be going through a couple of our voice recorders. First up today we have our little watch. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead, we'll do a quick little unbox of the unit. I'll show you what comes included with it, how it can be useful and a little bit on how to operate it, then we'll dive into it deep in the next video. So first of all, we can go ahead and open the box and you'll find inside a very classy little, what looks to be like a little smartwatch. So there it is there. It has approximately 8 gigs of storage, which is over 100 hours worth of audio storage it's got on it. Next up inside the box, we have some little foam to fill it in. We've got our fairly detailed little instruction manual, which folds out to be about the size of an A4 sheet, which is single-sided. Gives you info on how to set the clock on the watch. Being that it is a one-button watch, it can be a little bit difficult to manipulate, but we'll go through all that in a sec. You've also got a micro USB to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter, which allows you to plug in the included headphones into it. So if you didn't have a computer nearby and you were looking to listen to it, you've got that option. Then you've also got micro USB to USB cables, so you can plug it into a PC to charge it, and also to download it. It will just show up as a separate USB drive, so you've got that included in it as well. As you can see, the watch, it's pretty stylish. I'll whack it on for you and you can have a quick look at it. But it is very discreet. Being a single button operation, it is quite easy to get it started and stopped. And while it's not recording, it just displays the time. But yeah, pretty good little unit, good little audio on it. And we'll dive deep into it in the next video and I'll show you how to operate it and get it all working and all the rest of it.